Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study chapter 27, that is our identity. So, most of you must be having a school identification card, which is also referred as ID card, school ID card. It proves that you are a student of the school. Similarly, there are different documents to prove that we are citizens of India. Here are 5 of them. So you all must be having the school ID card, and on that school ID card your school name is mentioned with your SR number. Okay, so that ID card proves that that you are studying in a particular school. In the same manner, there are some documents which proves that we are citizens of India. So today we are going to study about 5 such documents. So the first one is voter ID card. As soon as a person achieves the age of 18 years, he or she can apply for the voter ID card. And after applying for the voter ID card, as soon as they will get this card ready, they will be able to vote in the elections. Without this card, no one is eligible to vote. सो जैसे ही किसी भी इंडियन सिटीज़न की एज 18 ईयर्स की हो जाती है, वैसे ही वो इंडियन सिटीज़न वोटर आईडी कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. और अप्लाई करने के बाद जब भी इलेक्शन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा हमारे कंट्री में, तो दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन विल बी एप्लीकेबल फॉर वोटिंग. नाउ दिस इज़ द सेकेंड वन. दिस इज़ आधार कार्ड. So Aadhaar card has become a very important identity document in our country now, and it has 12-digit individual identity number. Means this 12-digit identity number will not be same for any two persons or any other. It means कि अगर किसी एक person का 12 identity number है, तो वैसा ही किसी और का 12-digit identity number नहीं हो सकता. And nowadays Aadhaar card is linked to the bank account and so many other facilities. So this is passport. Whenever you will travel from India to any other country, you need to carry this. Okay, so this is passport. We need this document to travel abroad. Abroad means from our country to another country or a foreign country. It is proof that we belong to the Republic of India, and this passport proves that you are a citizen of the India. This is the driving license. If any person is found driving any vehicle without driving license, it will be considered illegal. So it is necessary whenever you are driving a car, whenever you are driving a bike, or whenever you are driving a scooty, any kind of vehicle, a person must carry driving license. This is PAN card. Every citizen in India who earns an income and pays taxes must have one. So this is the PAN card. Any Indian citizen who is working, means who is earning salary, जिनको income हो रही है, जिनको salary मिल रही है. So if they are paying taxes, not everybody is liable to pay income tax. There are certain slabs in which income criteria is described by the government of India, and if according to that criteria a person is paying tax to the government of India, that person must have this PAN card. That's all for today. Have a nice day. So any person, as if you can even ask your mother and father to show you all these identity cards of India. Aadhaar card तो आपका भी बना होगा, so you can see at home what kind of entries are there, what kind of information is there on it, and you can ask your parents to show the other identity cards.